Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. Thank you for opportunity. I am Nining Ariesti, Department Master of Midwifery, Hasanuddin University. I want to presentation about the effect of giving dates and honey to increase hemoglobin levels in young woman's mother. Introduction. Hemoglobin is a protein substance found in red blood cells, erythrocytes, that gives blood its red color and is the main oxygen carrier in the body. The World Health Organization in the worldwide prevalence of anemia, the World Health Organization in the 2015 worldwide prevalence of anemia shows that the prevalence of anemia in the world ranges from 40 until 88%. In Southeast Asia, 25 until 40% of adolescent girls experience mild and severe levels of anemia. The total population of adolescents 10 until 19 years in Indonesia is 26.2%, consisting of 50.9% males and 49.1% females. Based on the 2017 Indonesian Demographic and Health Survey, the prevalence of anemia among children aged 5 until 12 in Indonesia is 26%. In women aged 13 until 18, it is 23%. The prevalence of anemia in men is lower than women, namely 17% in men aged 13 until 18 years. The normal hemoglobin level in adolescent girl is bigger 12 grams. The iron nutritional anemia rate in Indonesia is 72.3%. Iron deficiency in adolescents causes paleness, weakness, fatigue, dizziness, and decreased concentration in learning. The causes include parental education level, economic level, level of knowledge about anemia in adolescent girls, consumption of Fe, vitamin C, and duration of menstruation. Iron deficiency in adolescents can lead to fatigue, weakness, wellness, and decreased concentration of learning. Honey is a type of food that contains full nutrition for health, including minerals, vitamins, and organic acid and amino acids that have content that is useful for the body. Dates contains a lot of energy, carbohydrates, and glucose which have levels of 50% of the entire fruit content. In every 100 grams of dates contain 50 IU of vitamin A, 0.4 milligram of vitamin C, 0.09 milligram B1, 0.10 milligram riboflavin, 2.20 milligram niacin, nicotinic acid, and iron. Several studies have revealed that there is an effect of both honey and dates on increasing hemoglobin levels. However, research have not found any research related to how effective dates and honey are on increasing hemoglobin levels in adolescent girls. Method. The type of research used is quasi-experimental, with one group pre-test post-test design before being given treatment, starting with pre-test measurement of hemoglobin levels and after giving treatment. Our measurement of hemoglobin levels post-test was correct. The population in this study were all young women aged between 15 until 17 years who were studying in Islamic boarding schools, who had low hemoglobin levels, did not take FE tablets, while the exclusion criteria were students who were absent and sick at the time of the intervention. The sampling technique was purposive sampling. The instruments used were observation sheet and hemoglobin measure tools. Other food consumption of students in this study is relatively the same because students are in Islamic boarding schools which have the same pattern and menu for each student. The result that there is an effect of dates and honey on increasing hemoglobin levels in adolescent girls with p-value bigger 0.05. The average score for given dates is the median score 11,15, PS 12,65, p smaller 0.05 with a one-group pre-post test design. Discussion after reading the article, it turned out that dates and honey had an effect on increasing hemoglobin levels. Articles on the use of dates and honey for anemia sufferers are still lacking in publication. The number of articles discussing the effect is also strong enough to prove that honey and dates are very good for anemia sufferers. This research is expected to be the basis for the development of research on honey and dates for pregnant women with anemia. In the future, it is hoped that further research will be carried out on the effect of dates and honey increasing hemoglobin levels in pregnant women. Conclusion from the result of the literature review that has been carried out, it shows that there is an effect of dates and honey increasing hemoglobin levels. Thank you for listening and watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.